Hello everyone. As many of you know, I am moving my craft room into another room in the house, and I have so much stuff boxed up and bagged up and in totes that has been there for a couple of years, honestly. So I'm going through it all. I'm going to get ready and do a big YouTube sale. I'm putting some on Etsy, some I'm donating, and wow, it's just been crazy. But I came across this envelope, and I bought this 2 years ago. 2 years ago at a Defy sale. And what it was, it's an envelope full of cutouts that they sold for people to do with journaling and so forth. So I'm going to put you to music and get busy. And everything in there that I'm not going to use for a journal is going to go in here. So let me get to my page first, and I will get busy. I will get busy, I promise. There's a lot in there. Well, do I have an empty page? No, I'm saving this one for something else I have. Okay, I just have this one thing on this page. So I'm going to do these 2 pages, I hope. Okay, let's get busy and glue. Okay, as you can see, I did get 2 page spread. However, I didn't use everything. Some of the vintage advertisements I want to save to put into traveler's notebooks. I really didn't have anything to go with the rest of it, or I didn't, I wasn't really fond of the rest of it. There's not a lot left, but I will dump it in my box and mix it in with some of my other stuff that I'm going to be using to make journals, glue books with, and I'm going to be doing more of this year. I enjoy it. It relaxes me. It's creative, and if you will notice, if you watch while I'm doing it, I don't think about where I'm going to put things. I grab and go, just put it down, because I don't want, over here I kind of stumbled a few times because I was stopping and thinking of where to put it, and every time I do that, I mess up, because like in here I have too much white, and this is the area I was struggling with, where am I going to put this stuff? So, grab and go, try it, it's fun. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.